We're live at the Santa Ana Police Department. Of course, Santa Ana, one of the locations where one of the two victims who was shot and killed in Orange County was from. A third linked to the same suspect was shot and killed in the San Fernando Valley on July 9th, 2 days before this crime spree. Two people under arrest, a 20-year-old named Malik Pat, P-A-T-T, and a 40-year-old named Jason Payne, P-A-Y-N-E, both taken into custody at a home on West 23rd Street in Los Angeles this afternoon. Now, this is a video of the suspect. This is one of the two primary suspects. They believe he is the shooter. Again, Malik Pat. And how were they identified? That's a question that we've been trying to get from police. Now, it's understandable they don't want to say too much early in this investigation, but what they're telling me, it was a combination of technology and tips from the public, whether these suspects used their cell phones in the location, they were triangulated, whether they used even a credit card or a debit card. But it's clear they were put onto these suspects fairly early in this 4 or 5 day manhunt. Now, today, we saw a remarkable coming together of several chiefs from different agencies, a county supervisor, the district attorney, and the mayor of Santa Ana, who offered these words on behalf of the victims and their families.
This was a reign of terror. To be thinking that you go to a convenience store or a donut shop or a sandwich shop and to get shot in the face, to call your loved ones with your last gasps for breath, or to be a clerk behind the cash register just helping another customer, and then somebody comes in and feigns a transaction and shoots you and kills you. God bless law enforcement, and quite frankly, God bless these victims, because the journey is over with respect to the detention of these suspects, but the journey has just begun.
That, of course, Orange County District Attorney Todd Spitzer, not the Santa Ana mayor, apologized for that. So now the case will shift to the prosecution, and Spitzer has already said that he plans to file murder charges and attempted murder charges, at least against the primary suspect, who's again has been identified as Malik Pat, 20 years old. And Marla and Christine trying to get some more details on the background, what record, if any, these suspects have, what their relationship is, and these are things that the police department for now is saying that they don't have or they don't want to go into. Again, all of this happened literally just 4 hours ago. Pat was apparently taken into custody without incident, and the other individual was injured in what was described as a minor use of force. They did say there was no officer involved shooting and taking these two into custody. But just this huge amount of resources from law enforcement here in Southern California. We heard about that Orange County Violent Crimes Task Force, which was formed about 5 years ago with the ATF and Orange County police agencies. So major development, of course, in this case that is, as they said, terrorized so many of us here in Southern California for the past 4 days. Marla, Christine?